This is a person. Let's give him some arms. Now that's a big person. Hang on, that's not a person. It's a big dog. It was a dog all along. This is a person. Ugh, do you smell something? Yikes, this person is on fire. Put out the fire. This is a big old mouth. Quite square, isn't it? Let's take a look inside. Pshaw! Now we're inside the mouth. This is a person, but something's wrong with this person. I want to see inside this person. Can I check his mouth? Can I see inside through his mouth? Yes, let's enter his mouth. Ooh, now we have entered the mouth. This is a person. Oh, have we got another big person? I am terribly sorry. This is not a person at all. This is an entity from the heavens. This is a person. Two people. Wait. Oh, heavens. Don't look, guys. It's two hanging bodies.
They ain't hanging bodies.
Who are you, old man? You look like you're already 6 feet under a tombstone. That's how old you look.
They ain't hanging bodies. They're meat. Meat.
What? Wait, what's going on? Why is it rotating?
You think I'm old? But I ain't. It was I. Fast all along. Complete with racing stripe.
Nani? Thanks for watching and support me by subscribing for more. Apologies for my bad kanji. I've only been learning Japanese for 6 months and kanji for just 1 month. But I hope you found this video funny as well as educational. I live in Japan and make tons of funny videos, so please subscribe for more and leave me a comment. I reply to all the comments. See you next time.